In this lecture, we are going to learn how to draw isometric with the help of or with the combination of drafter and this 30-60 set square. Right? So let's start with the ground line. So I will construct over here ground line. Mark any point O, which is the origin. I will call it as O, and with the help of this combination I need to construct perpendicular over here. Now next one, 30-degree angle. You need to draw the faint lines initially. And this one. Okay. Now, I will call this as a left and this as right side. And similarly, I will mark over here left and right side. Okay. So, initially, I will draw this corner. So from O, height is of 20. So I will mark over here height, which is 20 mm. Then this R is of 50 mm. This R is of 50 mm, and again I need to draw height, so I will again use this combination, and height which is 20 mm. Now let's complete this. This portion I have completed. Now let's take this much distance, right? 100 mm, 100. So on this line I have to take 100 mm distance. So this one is of 100 mm. After taking 100 mm length, height is of 50 mm. So from this point I have to take height one, two, three, four, 5. Height is of 50 mm. Now this is of 30 mm. So I will take here at this point, and I will take 30 mm over here, 30. From this 30 I will mark this line, right? Now next one, I have to draw one vertical line. Now I will join this, right? So this portion. Now here there is a 45-degree angle. Now I need to construct this here. Why? Because the angular measurements, we can't see exact angular measurements in isometric. So we need to know this much length, what it is. So for that I will construct over here, since the length is of 30 mm, so I will draw here 30 mm line. 30 mm, and at the same time the height is of 10 mm, so I will take here height which is of 10 mm, right? And now I will take here 45 degree angle with the help of drafter. I will take 45 degree. So here it is the 45 degree. Another angle 45 degree. See, wait, 45 degree, right? Okay. Now this one is of 30. If I mark the center point, then the total distance from this point to this point is of 50, yes it is 50 mm, right? So this distance, this total distance is of 50 mm. So from this center point I have to take 25 mm on the both sides. So let's take it. So this center point is 20 plus 15, that is 35 mm away from O. So let's take over here 35 mm, this point. Now I can draw 20 mm length as it is. 1, 2, 20, 30, 35. Here it is 35. So 15. Here it is 15. So this point is the center and this point is of this point. Now connect it. Now since the height is of 10 mm, so from this point I will take 10 mm distance and simply going to construct one line which is parallel to L. Is it? Now from this end point I have to draw a vertical line at this point, vertical line, and since I have to take 50 mm distance, 25 mm on both sides, 1 to 25, 1 to 5, right? Now I will complete this. See, both angles are equal actually. This one is 45 and this one also 45, but it in isometric you are not able to see this 45 degree angle, right? Okay. Now what I have to complete, I need to complete this edge, the outer edge. This can be visible. Now see here, I have taken the wrong distance, 45. Here this is of 50 mm. So let's take 50 mm distance on this side, 50 mm, right? And height is of 20 mm. Okay, that's fine. Now this total length is of 50 mm. So take here 50 mm distance. 50 mm. At the same time, I will mark this rib. The rib is of 10 mm width. From center, I have to take 5 mm on both sides. Since this one is of 50 mm, so here it is 25, and I will mark here 2 points. Similarly, on this side, 25. Here are the 2 points. Simply connect it. Right? Now you are able to see the edges, and for that I will construct here perpendicular. From this point, draw perpendicular, vertical length, right? Now I can join this. Okay, it is completed. Right? On the another side, is it? Now, the last part. Simply parallel lines. So at this portion there is a circular part which is of 15 mm radius. So from center point, from center point 1 to 2.5, take 15 mm distance, 10, 5, 15, 10, 5, 15, and at this location I need to form one square. So for that I will draw these two lines. Now take 15 mm distance. I will not construct total square. I will find only the corners. So by taking this, I will find only the corners, right? So for your understanding, these are the corners, right? So I need to connect a longest diagonal. This one is the longest diagonal, right? Now I need to connect the midpoint from one corner to the another. So I will draw this one only. So by taking this as a center and this much as a radius, I need to construct one half circle over here. Not exactly half. Up to this, right? And by taking this as a center and up to this midpoint, right? So here you are getting half circle. Now what remains? We need to complete this diagram. Now the vertical edge. Okay. Now it is completed. So try this out. Make practice of it. Then you will get clear idea. Here you don't need to draw complete square. Right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.